little detectives. Are you ready to play a game? Let's guess together. What is this?
What is this? Vacuum cleaner. What is this? Toaster. Washing machine. What is this? Hair dryer. What is this? Television. What is this? Refrigerator. What is this? Electric fan. What is this? Microwave oven. What is this? Air conditioner. What is this? Iron.
Wow, you got them all right. You are so smart. Great job. See you next time. Bye-bye.